Hillbilly Nitro, back at it with another one, guys. The Walk and Talk, episode number 31. Let's get to it. We had this little package arrive in the mail yesterday, so this is going to be the Cocobolo number 41 pattern premiere. So we will have some brass in this one. I can't wait to take a look at this brass on this, on the bolsters on this knife here. I was waiting on. I have the other 44, the jig boned, waiting on it to get here. So it's on the way. So I don't know when it's going to be here. So let's get to this. If you would like to help support the channel, just take a look at the link in the comments, and please consider supporting the channel. That link is always posted in my latest video. I leave that link up for a couple days, maybe a week, and then I delete it, but you'll always find that link in my newest video. But if you can't help support the channel, you can just simply watch the videos, click that thumbs up, or click it down if you want to help support. We'll take it any way we can get it. We're on a mission for a new camera, so anyways, let's get through this. It's supposed to have a chamois cloth in here with it. This is our fella Agent Malcolm Merriweather. This is his knife. Got a pack of chamois from DLT. Here we go. There she is. Look at that. Number 44 Buffalo Jack. I'm calling it the 44 Magnum Jack, but you know, that's just me. That's 1095 carbon cartridge brass. Frozen forged. Here's our numbers. We got the black one out here, my black ebony. Boy, she's a sweetie. So, here we go. Let's open her up. I've been anticipating this knife here. Really anticipating that jig bone. I am in love with that jig bone. Button there. There it is. We got a button. Chick-ching. There it is. There's your little button. Okay, here we go. You ready, guys? Oh, I see that brass. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Bling. Is that a beauty or what? Look at that wood. That is beautiful. Wow, that's nice. Classy. That's the first words that come to my mind. Classy. Wow, that is nice. I believe these brass 44s are going to be a real hit for the collectors later on. These are going to be highly sought after. Wow. Look at that. Some nice coloring in there. You know, when I put this on reserve back, I guess it was February or March, I was like, I've got to get a brass one. That's gonna be nice. Even though we just had a kind of like the sketch drawing of it, I said that's gonna look good with that brass. I have to get one of those. Wow, let's check it out. Feels good. A little lighter than my ebony there. I'd say that's about a 6.5. Close to a 7, but it's a 6.5. Yeah, let's check that pin blade. And about the same. Good snap to it. Nice. It's a little tight, but it still feels good. That'll loosen up. Yeah, that feels great. proud there. Perfect there. Let's check those transitions out. Yeah, those feel good. Yeah, smooth. Smooth. Very nice. Let's wipe that off for here. These polished blades here. Got some oil all over them. Then a little better. Look at that. That's that beauty. Focus in there. Man, that's nice. Love that big old clip. That's nice. Nice size pin blade there. That pin, I like a good size pin blade. That's nice. There's your tang stamp. Carbine. Very nice, very nice. Let's check the specs on it and then we'll go have another go around at looking at her. Give you guys the weight on it. It feels kind of light compared to this one, but I'm not sure. I don't know. It may be close to about the same. There's 81.4 grams. Let's check that ebony. 82.7. 81.3, yeah. 81.4, yeah. That's the weight. Let's check those measurements. Get it where you guys can see. Three and a half closed. About 6 1/4. Yeah, about 6 1/4 OAL overall length. And we got 2 1/2 on the cutting edge. Same as the ebony, same as the goldenrod that I did. Imagine that, they're the same knife. So, man, is that stunning or what? Looks like they left a little bit of the, let's see, yeah, there's a little bit of the grind still on the end of that right there that they didn't polish out. If it's picking up on camera or not. You see it a little bit. Yeah, there it is. You can see that. Could have done a little better polishing right there. Let's check that. Yeah, these are good. Just that spear's like that. Could have bumped a little closer. Could have about used another 30 seconds right there on the polishing wheel. That's a nice one though. I'll wipe her off again. Take one good look around her here again. There she is. Check that centering, about forgot. Perfection. Man, that brass looks good. You guys that decide to carry these in your pocket, that brass will really gather some character. I love some brass that has some character to it. It'll get a nice patina on it. Very nice. I love that bullet shield there. Very nice, guys. It is compared to the ebony. Man, that's sweet. That wood's really got some color to it. Very nice. Well, I guess that's gonna, there's our microfiber chamois cloth here from DLT. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, so stay tuned, got more videos coming. Got another 44 coming, the last one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, Billy is over and out of here, guys. Peace out.